I'll be explaining to you my code. So for this part, integer main. Inside our integer main is the declaration of the variables where the float, integer, and the character. And then we proceed into this part where the program asking the user for the input. This is the scanf where the program taking the user input. So let's move into the initializing the price. So final price equals to base price. This is where the part where the initialize the price with the base price. And then for line 26, this section where this part of the section where the calculation or the processing of our discounted price. So based on the given, if days of the week is equal to 6, or this if the week is equal to 7, then the final price will increase into 20%. So instead of 100%, it increases into 20%, then it will become 120% of the total base price. So if you're confused, guys, that why this of the week is equal to 6, and then why 7, so why equals, you're confused of that, I'll be explaining to you why that happens. So if there's only 7 days of the week, so it total of 7. So I'll insert this program. 1 is equal to Monday, and then so on. So for example, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday, and 6 is Saturday, and lastly is Sunday. So I hope it clears. And then we move into line 31 to 34, where the parts we apply the discount based on the age. So if the age of the user is less than to 12, then the discounted price for them is 50%. So the total cost of their price, instead of 100%, the final price calculates only into 50% because of the discount. So for line else if the age is greater than equal to 65, then the discounted price for them is only 30%. So the total price will calculate only into 70% instead of 100%. Then we move to 38 to 39, where the section the discounts applied based on the status, if you're a student or not. So if you're a student, guys, just put Y, and if not, then just put N, means not. So if you're a student, the the discounted up the discounted price that applied is 10%. So if you're a student, then the final price will calculate only into 90% because of the 10% decrease. So finally, for the last part, where the printing of the final price, or printing the total um prints the output of our final price. So let's try to run this code, guys, so that we can determine if there is an error or there's a part of our program that we need to improve so that it can satisfy the problem given. So let's try. So for example, the base price is 100. Then the days of the week is 6, which means Saturday. And then the age is less than to 12. So for example, let's try 8. And yes, I am a student, so it's input only Y. So the final price ticket is equals to 54 pesos. So as you notice, guys, that almost half of the base price was decreased or discounted. It because of the discounted discounted price that applied, so that it becomes into 54 pesos. So try another problem. So let's see if the age of the user is greater than equal to 65. So let's see what is the result. Let's try. The user is let's try enter base price. So for example, let's try 200. Then days of the week, let's try another days were not included into our 20% increase. So let's try Monday, which equals to 1. Age is more than to 65. So let's try 67. No. So as you notice, guys, the decrease of the base price is 60%, which total cost of the final ticket price into 140. So as you observe that the program works smoothly. So thank you for listening, guys, and God bless.